We all love a bright, happy smile. It's a universal sign of joy and friendliness that can light up a room and make someone's day. It's one of the first things people notice about us. A genuine smile can leave a lasting impression, making us appear more approachable and trustworthy. But did you know that a great smile starts with good oral hygiene? Brushing and flossing regularly are the foundations of maintaining that radiant smile. Taking care of your teeth and gums isn't just about good looks, it's about staying healthy and feeling confident. A healthy mouth can boost your self-esteem and overall well-being. Think of your mouth like a superhero team. Your teeth are the strong defenders, and your gums are the trusty sidekicks. Together they protect you from harmful bacteria and keep your smile shining. They work together to help you chew your food and speak clearly. Without them, everyday tasks like eating and talking would be much more difficult. Just like any superhero team needs training and care, so do your teeth and gums. Regular dental checkups and cleanings are essential to keep them in top shape. That's where oral hygiene comes in. Brushing twice a day, flossing daily, and using mouthwash can help prevent cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. By learning a few simple habits, you can keep your smile strong and healthy for years to come. It's never too late to start taking better care of your oral health. Ready to unleash your inner smile superhero? Let's go! Embrace these habits and watch your confidence soar as you flash that beautiful, healthy smile to the world. Oral hygiene is a fancy way of saying taking care of your mouth. It's not just about having a bright smile, but also about maintaining overall health. It's all about keeping your teeth clean, your gums healthy, and your breath fresh. Regular care can prevent issues like cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is. But it requires consistency and the right techniques. Good oral hygiene involves a few key practices: brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing daily, using mouthwash, and making smart choices about what you eat and drink. Brushing helps remove food particles and plaque from the surface of your teeth. Flossing reaches the areas between your teeth that a toothbrush can't. Using mouthwash can help kill bacteria and freshen your breath. And don't forget, a balanced diet plays a crucial role in maintaining oral health. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, these small steps make a big difference in the long run. Regular dental checkups are also essential. Think of it like this: you wouldn't go without showering or washing your hands, right? Your mouth deserves the same level of care and attention. By taking these steps, you're not just protecting your teeth, but also your overall health. A healthy mouth can prevent infections and even reduce the risk of certain diseases. So remember, good oral hygiene is more than just a routine. It's a commitment to your well-being. Keep smiling and take care of your mouth every day. Let's talk about brushing. It's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to maintain a healthy smile. This is your #1 weapon against plaque, the sticky film that forms on your teeth and can lead to cavities and gum disease. Plaque is made up of those pesky little bits of food and bacteria that like to hang out on your teeth, causing trouble if not removed. Brushing twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, is like giving your teeth a superhero shield. This routine helps to keep your mouth clean and fresh. Aim for 2 minutes each time, making sure to reach every nook and cranny. This ensures that no area is left uncleaned, reducing the risk of decay. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Soft bristles are gentle on your gums and enamel, preventing damage while effectively cleaning. Fluoride is like a superpower ingredient that strengthens your teeth and fights cavities. It helps to rebuild weakened tooth enamel and reverse early signs of tooth decay. Remember to brush gently in circular motions. This technique is more effective at removing plaque and is less abrasive on your teeth and gums. Don't scrub too hard, as this can damage your gums and cause them to recede. Gentle pressure is all you need. Think of it like giving your teeth a gentle massage. This not only cleans your teeth but also stimulates your gums, promoting overall oral health. After brushing, rinse your mouth with water to wash away any remaining toothpaste and debris. This leaves your mouth feeling fresh and clean. With these simple steps, you can maintain a bright, healthy smile that you're proud to show off every day. Happy brushing! Now, let's talk about your gums. They're like the unsung heroes of your mouth, holding your teeth in place and protecting them from harm. Healthy gums should be pink and firm, not red or swollen. To keep them in tip-top shape, we need to talk about flossing. Flossing might seem tricky at first, but it gets easier with practice. Use a piece of floss about 18 inches long and gently guide it between your teeth, curving it around each tooth like a C shape. Flossing once a day helps remove plaque and food particles that your toothbrush can't reach, keeping your gums happy and healthy.